What's up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So I got the Viral Miracle Knots. Essentially they are boho braids. It is still the same look as boho braids, but a way quicker method. A method you can do yourself, although I did get mine done because I wanted to expedite the process even more, but you can definitely do this yourself. It is there, I feel like there's nothing more beginner friendly than this. The hair is from Ywigs. I will put everything in the description box below. Also, happy new year. And with that being said, let's just get right into the tutorial. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification so you can get notified every time I post.
So starting with the hair, I got this from Ywigs. They literally have the best human hair, and I use 4 bundles of the deep wave. I did wash them and I colored them like a deep black color because I prefer my extensions to be really black. My hair is in a terrible state right now. When I tell you guys, the relaxer chewed my hair out, so I'm currently transitioning back to natural. Hence why we have some texture difference and it's very choppy. But anyway, I decided to do medium parting. So pretty much Danielle is just parting off my hair right now and beginning the plots with my natural hair. That's all you need. You're gonna plot with your natural hair. You don't need to add any braiding hair. You're literally just doing the base like you would do a base for a crochet style. Super simple. And she's using a styling gel as well, just to make sure it has enough hold. I really like this method because it is not tight at all, and I cannot stand tight hair. Also keep in mind, if your hair is shorter, this process will be quicker because it's not going to take forever to braid down your real hair, versus if your hair is longer, doing these plots will take a little bit longer. So that's why this style does vary in time depending on the length of your hair. So essentially she's doing the same thing in the front all the way around. You know, I tried to keep as much as the video as possible because I really just like wanted to let her cook. Excuse the talking. We were watching a reality show. We always like find a really good show while she's doing my hair, just to keep herself entertained. I forgot what show we were watching, but it was just so funny. But yeah, so you're just gonna continue parting, and this is something you can do yourself. I just thought it would be a better visual if you guys can see a stylist do it. And honestly, I'm in the phase of my life where I did my hair so much, I just think I don't have patience anymore to do it. So even if it's a simple style, I rather just have Danielle do it because I know it's gonna look even better than when I do it. And also I get to save my hands and I can focus on just filming it and sharing it with you guys. But yeah, this is definitely something you could do yourself. You really do not need to outsource anyone to do this. All my plaits are done. Let's begin installing the curly hair. So we did 3 pieces in each plait. That's how we got it super full. I definitely wanted it to look like more curly hair than plaits. So you can kind of play around with this. You can use 2 pieces. I probably wouldn't advise using 1, but I would do anything from like 3 to 4, depending on the texture you use as well. If you're using fuller hair, you probably could get away with 2 pieces per braid. Also considering your hair length as well. If your hair is longer, you probably could do up to 6 per braid, because you have more hair to cover. But for my hair length, we use 3 per braid. Per plait, and she just crocheted it in. Very simple, very easy. I know a lot of you guys were asking too on my socials, like my Instagram and TikTok, how to take this out. Honestly, all you're going to do is really just unravel your plait, and then these crochet pieces are going to come out, because you also, which I'll make a video about that, but you want to do it that way because you don't want to cut the crochet pieces out. One, you can risk cutting your hair, and also this is human hair, it's reusable, so why would we waste it? But I did find what I love about Ywigs is that the thread is so durable. Not one thread broke or popped during the installation process. Everything stayed intact. And that's important because we know this hair is not cheap. So you don't want, thread breaking, money being wasted, because once that thread is broken, you cannot reuse it. But when I say this thread stayed intact, even right now, I've had the hair in for about 3 weeks now, and all of the thread is intact. I have not had one piece fall out, drop out, nothing. As for the ends, because I know this is probably another common question asked, if you put the crochet piece very close to the end, it kind of creates a knot, so your hair is not gonna unravel. So you don't need to use rubber bands. We didn't do that. Like, as you can see, she puts the first piece very close to the end of my hair, and it just creates a security knot, because this is thread. So think about how thread in a sew-in would create a knot to hold your hair. It kind of created it. Now, I will say, if your hair is very silky, I don't know if it will slide out. You might have to use rubber bands, but my hair is like a kinkier texture. So once it's plaited, it kind of stays intact. And then that thread at the end helps it to stay even better.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Very quick, simple, straight to the point. Like I said, this is not a hard style to do. It is extremely easy. And yeah, I mean, let me know if you want a styling video. I can show you different styles you can rock with this, because you can actually wear styles day one because it is so lightweight. There is no tension. And that's about it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.